is Johnny. I work for DTNO.1 as an overseas marketing operator. For the last couple of years, I've been feeling lack of energy most of the time, for which the reason I know is my unhealthy lifestyle. I don't like to do sports and I tend to sit all day for my job, which really makes my body out of shape. Now my weight is more than 95 kilograms and I've gained more than 25 kilograms over the last 5 years. So no wonder I feel bad for my health. There is a saying is that if you cannot take control of your weight, you cannot take control of your life. So I decided to change and start to take some exercises. We are lucky that we have a gym in this office building, so we can go to the gym when we are off work. My favorite part of this gym is jogging on a treadmill, and when I run on it, I feel I can always clear my mind, and every time I encounter my physical limits, it's really exciting to see myself to break it. Although I'm exhausted after jogging every time, I feel refreshed and happy to see myself to get better and better. So, we only live once. Why don't we just be the best version of ourselves?